You know, we're at the main hangar, which is right there. Okay, there's the main hangar. Little guy seen the pink monster truck. And you want to go see that big pink monster truck, don't you? Get going. He has a fascination with monster trucks. Even though this one just broke down, it should be fixed soon, but it's so comical when he sees it out here. Yeah, look at that, eh? Is that a monster truck? Go look at it. Go look at that monster truck. Yeah, look at that, eh? He's inspecting the truck, Mike. Well, there you go, Lance. Another mechanic in the family. Jasmine, Sarah, Jesse, Serena, Elizabeth, Victoria, Debbie, my mom. Everybody says hi, or he says hi. So it's pretty comical. I mean, he walked all the way back here by himself just to come look at this thing. Oh, there you are. Watch your head. Yeah. It broke. He's inspecting it. Yep. It's green and pink. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Okay, want to go back up to the main hangar? Oh, nope. He wants to look underneath it. Inspection's not done yet. Pretty cool, eh? Hey, you want to walk back to the main hangar? Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We'll go bye-byes. Come on. He goes, no, man, I want to sit here and walk around the truck. Come on. He wants no part of leaving. Here he comes. Come on, junior mechanic, let's go. Come on. He's just having way too much fun. See, great grandma? This is why it's here. Your great grandson loves monster trucks. He would stay out here all day. Just walk around this thing. It's pretty cool, eh? I hate to do this, but I'm going to have to pull him away from the truck to get back him up to the hangar because he won't leave. Hey, turn around for a picture. Hey. Uh-oh. Watch your head. Okay, come on. Let's go see Daddy. Hey.